why? When all rotation. Now, how for now, I can't tell a movie. For no one hour, give me Sakasi. We so resting this out.
Ask this man why he don't have Manyanye test. Ask this man why he don't have Manyanye test.
I got my Manyanye.
There's a Manyanye.
Oh yeah, this is a Manyanye.
Manyanye.
This sir, Manyanye.
Yes. Best of buddy. Tell me, I just realized, like, during the week, all these decades I spent with friends, fight and whatever. Not easy, we never picked up fist on each other all these decades. But I fought all my niggas. I don't he gave us too much.
Yeah.
He gave us enough for many meals. Life worth of meals.
You was a guy who was just himself. Didn't try to be anybody but himself. And then he either decided for rather for nothing.
To be a person, we don't know what happened. So, I miss you so much. Because even my son wanted to come. Because I'm putting my son out to rap.
Don't you motherfuckers know I've been a hit since 92?
I'm angry. I'm angry at him for dying on us.
Be the one choosing. I'm the one trying to be the one. My check, Buga.
Two children open. I read it about compound. Gosh, I'm just giving it to I am waiting for you for opening something that's gonna heal my heart. I love you so much. You will never know how colossal you are.
Thanks for bringing us long, strong song, right? The football would have never been what it was without you, my nigga, right? So, the long strong songs, not wrong songs. A lot of fake MC sings all Kong songs when all we want to hear is the long strong songs.
Long strong songs, not wrong songs. A lot of fake MC sing nonsense songs, and all we want to hear is a long strong song. Long strong song, long strong song. Not nonsense, not wrong song. Long strong song, long strong song. Remix, baby. Long strong song, long strong song. Come on, yeah, come on. Sing along. Tuesday now. Yeah, come on. I like songs, long strong songs, not wrong songs. I like the fake MC sing Kong songs when all we want to hear is a long strong song, so we can love songs, long strong songs, not wrong songs.